In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn off face tracking on Zoom camera. If your camera keeps zooming, panning, or following your face during Zoom calls, you can turn that behavior off by disabling the auto framing setting. I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to switch it off. Start from your Zoom dashboard. On the main screen, look for the small gear icon near the bottom left corner. Click the gear icon to open the settings window. If your Zoom layout looks a little different, that's okay. The location of some options may vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but you're still looking for the settings menu open from the gear icon. Once you're in settings, select the video and effects section. This is where you'll find your camera settings and the options that control how your video appears during meetings. You'll also see a preview of your camera in this section. Next, switch to the Appearance tab. This tab includes the setting that controls face tracking. Depending on your Zoom version or your camera, the option may be labeled auto framing. On some devices, it may instead appear as face tracking or center framing. Even if the name is different, you're looking for the setting that automatically keeps you centered in the camera frame. After you find the auto framing option, turn the switch off or uncheck the box beside it. As soon as you disable the setting, Zoom will stop automatically adjusting the camera to follow your movements. You don't need to click a save button because the change is applied immediately. Once the setting is turned off, your camera frame will stay fixed instead of shifting whenever you move. If you'd like to confirm the change, move around slightly while looking at the camera preview. The frame should remain in the same position instead of following you to keep you centered. If you don't see the auto framing option in the Appearance tab, that's okay. The setting may not be available with your specific camera model, or it may be controlled by your camera's own software instead of Zoom. In that case, the option simply won't appear in Zoom settings. If the setting is available, leaving auto framing turned off will keep your camera view fixed during your meetings. Once you've made the change, you can close the settings window, and the preference will remain in effect unless you turn auto framing back on later. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off face tracking on your Zoom camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.